Hey viewers, welcome to our tutorial on navigating cells in MS Excel using keyboard shortcuts. Let's get started. First, I will show you how to move from one cell to another using the arrow keys. If you want to move upward, press the up arrow key. To move downward, press the down arrow key. To move right, press the right arrow key, and to move left, press the left arrow key. Then, place the cursor at the beginning of any cell, then press Alt plus the page down key to move one screen to the right, and Alt plus the page up key to move one screen to the left. Similarly, if you want to move one screen downward, press the page down key to move one screen down, and the page up key to move one screen up. Now, I will show you how to move to the edge of the data region. Press Ctrl plus right arrow key to move the non-blank right edge, plus left arrow key to move to the left edge, and Ctrl plus down arrow key to move to the bottom edge. Ctrl plus up arrow key to move to the top edge. Next, I will show you how to move to the first cell of the row. For example, if you place the cursor in any column and then press the Home key, you will reach the beginning of that column. And to move to the first cell in the worksheet, press Ctrl plus Home key, and press Ctrl plus End key to move the cursor to the last working cell in the sheet. Finally, I will show you how to move to the next worksheet in the workbook. Simply, press Ctrl plus page down key to move next worksheet in workbook, and press Ctrl plus page up key to move to the previous worksheet. These shortcuts will help you navigate your Excel spreadsheets more efficiently. Thanks for watching.